Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So today, as you can see from the title, y'all, we are doing a Gucci unboxing, y'all. So we are going to unbox the Dionysus GG Supreme mini bag. So if you want to see this bag, keep watching. Today is April the 21st. I ordered this bag literally like 2 days ago and it came today. So it came in a small box like this. And this will be my first time opening it, of course. So let's see. So I am super excited to see what this bag looks like. Oh my God. That took forever. I am excited. So of course it comes in your discreet box. You get your envelope with your receipt. So yeah, it's just a thank you card that they give you, and then this is probably like my little note that I made to myself. So it says, happy Mother's Day to me, treat yourself, black girl luxury. It was supposed to be hashtag, but they put it together without the hashtag, so that's why it's together instead of separated, but whatever. So we love that. A note to yourself. So they also give you a little mini shopping bag. And it comes wrapped up really cute in this box. Well, this is the first time I received a box with the barcode on the back, but okay. So, slide the bow off. I'm so excited. Oh my God. It's gonna come wrapped up in tissue paper like all their other products. I'm just gonna slide it out like that. Then you got your dust bag, it comes in. Oh my God. And this is what it looks like. How cute. The GG monogram. So this is the super mini, and then this retailed for $960 with tax. It is, I think, $1,017. Yep, and 60 cents. So this is super cute. Super cute, guys. I'm gonna try it on. Perfect. I'm 5'9", so it come past my hip, as y'all can see. Oh my God, how cute. So okay, from what I hear, you can wear this bag about 4 to 5 different ways. You can wear it as a waist belt, you can double the straps for a shoulder bag, you can wear it as a crossbody and also a shoulder bag. Okay, it is very tiny. The name is Super Mini. So in the inside you get a little keychain right here in this small. We're gonna see what fits in here. All right, it is silver hardware, as you can see. I'm gonna show y'all guys what fits in here in a minute. Hold on. I want to show y'all how I look as a waist belt. I did have to make it fit because the other way, like, it's a way you can hide this, but I put this up top and it don't look bad because that's the only way I can get it around my hip. Other than that, my hips are too big to do it the way the small girls do it. I can wear it like this if I wanted to. That's really cute. I'm really thinking like how I feel about this, because I mean it's cute, but I'm like, golly, $1,000 for this little mini bag? Like, what the hell? What were you thinking? So I'm just trying to figure out how I feel about this bag. It's really cute, but it is so tiny. Don't get me wrong, I am into little bags, but I'm like, damn, $1,000 for this bag. I don't know. Let's just see what fits in here. So I will carry my Louis Vuitton card holder, so I will definitely need that. So that fits in here. I will carry my Chanel mirror. That fits in here. We all know my keys can't fit in here, so I usually have hand sanitizer on my keys. We have a little lotion. Hold on, there might be something out here. I don't want to put this in here if something's on here. Okay, that fits in here. And then if I wanted to put like a little perfume sample, I could also put that over there. Your phone definitely ain't fitting in this bag. Let me see. Hold on, let me grab my phone. Just with that, my basic needs, it fit and it closes up. So that's cool. I'm gonna take this out. Let's see if the iPhone 13 Pro Max can fit in there. Probably can't, because people have phones smaller than this. Oh, it fits in there, but it's gonna budge out on the side a little, but that'll be the only thing you put in there, and probably a card holder. Let me see. Can we close it? No, we can't close it, but I definitely won't be carrying my phone in this. So yeah, let me know if you have this bag and what do you think. I don't know, I think it's cute. I'm still debating if I'm gonna keep it or not. I'll probably keep it. Like I said, it's real tiny, but it's cute. So I'm going to compare it to the Telfar bag. So this is the Telfar bag and this is the Gucci bag, and they are about the same. Wait, let me see. No, the Telfar have a little more width than this one, a little more room over here, as you can see. So yeah, it's a little more space, which I can fit a lot in here, believe it or not. But I don't know, I like it. I think it's cute. I've been seeing this bag a lot, trending a lot. I was like, let me get this bag, it is too cute. So I can definitely probably see myself keeping this and styling it overall. I just think it's a little bit overpriced for the size. But I'm gonna keep it. This is my first Gucci bag. I am definitely a Louis girl, as you can see. So this isn't my first Gucci item, but it is my first bag. And I wanted to get the wallet one, the bigger one, I think, and that's like about, I think it's like $1,500. But I don't know, I just wanted to stay in the $1,000 price range. I didn't want to go above, so I decided to go with this one. So overall, it does fit, like I said, my basic needs. It just can't fit my phone in there, so I just have to keep that in mind. If you don't want to carry your keys, you can put like the key fob right here or something, so that's pretty cool. So overall, I guess I will give this bag a 8 out of 10, only because I can't fit my phone in here, and that's a bummer. But overall, it is cute, and I think it might be a keeper. So let me know if you got this bag and what do you think about this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.